Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for this month. October. So if you guys don't know, Boxycharm is a it's changing, so hold on. Boxycharm was a $21 beauty subscription service with 4 to 5 full-size products delivered to your door every month. There's an upgrade for that for the base Boxycharm. It's called Boxy Luxe, which happens quarterly, and it's an added $28 to the $21, making it $50 every 4 months, but you get a whole bunch of products, more than regular. I think my box has always been over $300 in value. Crazy. Now they're having Boxycharm 2.0, which is starting next month in November. The regular box is going to start at $25 now, but it's always going to have a $150 value with it. So you're getting more products, and also they're going to start giving us complexion products as well, according to them. They're also having Boxycharm Premium, which I did put myself on the wait list for because I personally wanted to get the first month just for you guys, just to see the difference between the base box and then the premium box. The premium is $35 every month, and it comes with 7 different products in it. Like I said, the wait list is on there, but now Boxycharm also, for everyone who's getting the $25 box, we will have 5 beauty products always. We're allowed customization, so every month for the last 2 months they let us pick one of the products in our box, which is pretty awesome because, I don't know, sometimes they have us spoil it like this or that and you're like, oh, I really want this one, but that's not possible, but now it is, so that's pretty cool. There's also choice, so we get to choose every month. Isn't that the same as customization? Oh, okay, customization is like the concealer foundation products we're going to be able to match in blister packs in our November Boxy Luxe, Boxycharm. Then there's choice, which is what I just mentioned. There's add-ons as well, which actually I have taken advantage of. Add-ons open, I guess, close to the middle of the month for the next month. And they include things that are in the current box that maybe you didn't get to choose, or from past months or future month boxes. So I actually did pick up, I'm almost out of my face moisturizer, and I am on a no-buy, but I don't have any other face moisturizer. So I saw the one from Touch and Soul, the Glassy Skin Cream, and I decided that it was only $12, and I was going to try that. So I did buy that from the add-on, so let's see how that gets sent to us. And then there's Boxy Pop-Up, which happens every quarter, so I assume it's going to happen with the Boxy Luxe. Boxy Pop-Up is like a huge shop, almost like FabFitFun, where you can pick products at super discounted prices for a limited time while the quantities last. Everything sold out super quickly last time, and I'm really upset because I really wanted a Luxie brush set, but hopefully this time, if I'm not on my no-buy, I'll be able to pick up some stuff either for me or for friends. So that was a long intro because Boxycharm is changing, but let's get into the box. So I have, first of all, I'm really happy because I mentioned last month I missed the fold-out cards. Just for me. I have variation 18, which is shown on the bottom here of this card. So let us just get into what I got. So the first is from Iconic London. This is the one thing I customized. You could have either gotten this or the Glassy Skin Cream from Touch and Soul. So, it's so cool. Oh my god, this is so cool. I want to just look at this the whole day. So this is from Iconic London. This is the Prep Set and Glow. This retails for $29. It says Prep Set and Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshed with light reflecting properties and leaves the skin with Iconic's glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. With extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, vitamin E, 100% vegan wonder sprays helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. I pretty much have a bare face on today. I'm just wearing this to work, so let's try it. That's an interesting smell. Does my skin look... Okay, I already have highlight on, but I feel like... Definitely feel more radiant. Huh. I feel so glowy. Wow. I had sprayed this on my arm last night just to see how, like, intense the shimmery stuff was. And it looked really intense, like, when you, like, spray it up close. And I was afraid it was going to look more like I have glitter on my face than anything. But I guess, like, diffused on the face, it looks really, really nice. Also, I just can't get over How cool that is. Amazing. So this was $29 and this was the first product in our box. Okay, the next product is actually an eyeshadow palette I had my eyes on for like 6 months last year and I almost purchased, but I didn't. This is from Dose of Colors. This is the eyeshadow palette in Snow Angels. Okay, this looks so pretty. Hold on, let me take the brush out. This brush actually looks really, really good. How cool is this? I thought that these shades were amazing. I know they had a whole bunch that you could have gotten out of the variations. There were like the Sassy Siennas, the Something Berries, the Mauves, the Browns, and then this one. But I'm really happy I got this one. I love the color story in here. I think it's so absolutely gorgeous. This retails for $32 and it says, this 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your everyday eye look. I feel like you can get so many looks from this palette. And I actually love that it's all matte. I also really like this brush that came with it, which is not something I would typically say. I cannot wait to create some looks with this. Hopefully I'll get some time off from work. Maybe to be able to do it, but this is so freaking exciting. And you know what? Everything happens for a reason. I didn't pick this up last year because I got it in my Boxycharm this year. All right, next product in the box is from Hollywood and Vine. Hollywood and Vine? This is the Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. This is so long. Look at how long this is. This is like a... God, I don't even have a, like... That's longer than my face. Like, that's huge. You will never go through this pencil. This is a kohl eyeliner. It says, line your eyes with the rich intensity of the Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. Let's see. I feel like it's creamy, but also it's pulling. It is pretty black, though, I will say. I'll have to try this. I don't really like using black eyeliners, but this is pretty creamy for a pencil, so I guess I'll try it. This retails for $7, so it's affordable and huge. If this is really good, I mean, this will be a great value because, like, you'll never, ever go out of this. I think this would be really cool as a base and maybe put that, like, deep blue shade on top of it from the palette. I will have to do a video, obviously, using the products in my Boxycharm. Next is from Hank and Henry. This is the Slick With It mascara. Oh, last month we got the Slick With It eyeliner in Blickety Black, and this one is in Clout. This is the eyeliner duo in Clout. Honestly, Hank and Henry's packaging is pretty great because it's been really easy to take off everything. So this is... Slick With It mascara will have you feeling like you have major clout. This vegan mascara will not only it's waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The dual wand applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other thin is desired for your lower lashes. How do you tell, though? Like, I wish there was, like, distinction on the thing. Let's see. Okay, this is pretty big on this side. I will never remember that. You know what? Hank is big, Henry is small. Let me try using some of my lower lashes now because why not? I have Bare Minerals on right now, but let's see. Oh. Oh. Huh. This is an interesting little wand. I don't know how I already got mascara on myself, but wow. You know what? I think I'm really going to like this for my lower lashes. I guess we'll see if it really is waterproof or transfer proof because I'm going to wear this to work today. Wow. And it's so tiny. I was like, this isn't going to grip onto any lashes, but it does. So this retails for, I don't know if I already said it, but if I didn't, $19, and this is the next product in our box. Pretty cool. Oh, we have like a whole little eye thing going on here. Thanks, Boxycharm. And the last product is from Mellow Cosmetics. I think this is Mellow Cosmetics. Yes, Mellow Cosmetics. It just says Mellow on here, but when you tag them, tag Mellow Cosmetics. This is the tinted brow gel, and this retails for $16. I got the shade dark brown. The thing is, I did my beauty, what is that called? Beauty quiz? Like to tell you like what my hair color is, and I always say it's like a light brown, but I get dark brown. How bad is this? If I try this on my brows right now. This looks pretty dark brown, but really warm, and I have pretty cool pretty cool eyebrows. Oh god, this is so warm. Well, we're in it now. Honestly, for such a warm brow, I shouldn't speak and do brows at the same time ever. What I was gonna say is that for such a warm brow gel, this actually doesn't come off too warm on my brows. And I don't feel like technically it's that dark for me. I would have preferred a soft brown though, I'm not gonna lie. I'll have to redo my beauty thing again. So this says, achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows. Can you see where I messed up on my brow? So if you didn't mess up on your brow like me, I'm waiting for it to dry so I can chip it off. Achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel. A lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. I did that today. Honestly, not too bad. Just don't be heavy-handed with it. I definitely feel like it's very, very pigmented. And that is everything I got in my box this month. I'm honestly genuinely very excited for pretty much everything. I'm even pumped about this eyeliner, which is strange because I never thought I would say that. Let me just give the full value of the box. Please hold. So the total value of this month's box was $103, which is great because you only pay $21 for the box. I gotta say the things I'm most excited for are honestly this mascara, the eyeshadow palette, and probably the iconic London thing, which is cool. So I will update you guys with what I think on these. Don't forget to subscribe to my podcast as well. I do it with my friend Jason. It's called Fast Past. We are on Spotify and Apple Podcasts, and we come out with a new episode every Thursday. I would love for you guys to check that out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!